momentum's the name. Mass multiplied by velocity. The unit is kilograms, meter per second. That's the policy. A battleship's got a lot cause it's heavy and wide. Momentum so strong when it starts to glide. An airplane too fast and heavy in flight. Big momentum when it takes off right. A bee's got a little, it's tiny and light. Less mass, less speed, yeah that's right.
Now let's talk collision, no confusion. Momentum is conserved, that's the conclusion. Before and after, the total stays the same. If there's no external force affecting the game. Newton said it best, let's rearrange. Force equals change and momentum divided by time, that's the exchange. Airbags help cause they spread the time to stop, so the force gets smaller, protection on top.
Now hear the impulse clean and tight. Force multiplied by time equals change in momentum, right? Why follow through when you swing that bat? More contact time, more speed, just like that. Force multiplied by time equals mass multiplied by change in velocity. That's the key to mastering impact properly. Physics in motion, now you know. Momentum and impulse, let that knowledge flow.